In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a journal report on Xero, providing a full guide for 2024. Whether you're managing finances for your own business or handling accounts for someone else, this walkthrough is designed to make accessing your journal reports a breeze. Let's dive into it and simplify this process together. The first thing you want to do is navigate to the top of your Xero dashboard. Here, you'll see a menu bar filled with various options. You'll need to locate and click on Reporting. This option is essential as it grants access to all the reporting features you need to efficiently manage your accounts in Xero. Once you click on Reporting, a drop-down menu will appear, offering you a range of different report options. In this drop-down menu, you'll notice an option titled All Reports. Go ahead and select this option. It serves as your gateway to a comprehensive list of all available reports, allowing you to get detailed insights into your financial data. This step is crucial as it provides a centralized location for accessing a wealth of information tailored to your accounting needs. Once you're in the All Reports section, you'll need to focus your attention on finding the Journal Report. To do this efficiently, use the search bar provided at the top of the page. This search function is highly effective and will promptly filter through the extensive list of reports. Simply type in Journal Report and watch as Xero quickly narrows down the results to exactly what you need. It's a small step, but it makes a big difference in terms of time saving and accuracy. Now that you've found the journal report, the next step is to click on it. By doing so, you'll be instructing Xero to run the report. Depending on the complexity and size of your financial data, there might be a brief loading period. Just sit back for a moment and allow Xero to do its thing. Patience here ensures that the system accurately compiles all relevant journal entries tied to your account. After the system has finished loading, you'll be presented with a comprehensive list of all your journal entries within Xero. This list is the culmination of your efforts and offers a full view of all transactions that have been recorded as journal entries. It's a powerful tool for review, analysis, and ensuring accuracy across your accounting records. With your journal report now at your fingertips, you can examine it for any financial insights or adjustments you might need to make. And that's all there is to it. With these steps, you've successfully accessed your journal report in Xero. By following each part of the process, you ensure that your financial information is organized and easy to analyze whenever you need it. Thank you for following along, and I hope you found this guide helpful in enhancing your accounting efficiency in 2020.